Hi, third graders. I hope you're having a great day today. Today, we're going to do some math, and I've got a couple fun things. I hope it's fun for you. It was fun for me. So, we're taking this from week 8 of your packet from OPS, and it's on math, and it's the characteristics and attributes of geometric shapes. Oh my goodness, those are big words. So, characteristics and attributes is just the ways that they're alike and the ways that they are different. And so, we're taking flat shapes and looking at several of them to see how they're alike and how they're different. Okay? So, let's get started. Now, we're first going to start with the rectangle. Okay? So the rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. It's flat and it has four corners. So there's the two long, two short, it's flat, and it has four corners. Some of the things that we have in our homes that are rectangles are doors, picture frames, and paper. Cool, huh? Rectangles all around us. Okay, triangle. The characteristics of a triangle are three sides, flat, and three corners. So, a yield sign that you will see where your mom has to slow down when she comes to a corner, you'll see a yield sign. Yield means to slow down. That's a triangle. A pizza slice, yum. What's your favorite pizza? And cat's ears. So see the little ears? Those are triangles on the cat. Triangle. A square. A square has four corners, four sides, flat, and the sides are equal. So many of our windows are squares, and sticky notes are squares. The next one is trapezoid. That's kind of a cool name. It kind of sounds like trapeze artist, right? Trapeze, that swing in the circus. Anyway, trapezoid. Four sides, flat. Opposite sides are parallel, which means they're equal. And they're straight sides. So a trapezoid could be a popcorn box that you get at the movie theater, or your mom's purse is a trapezoid. Wow, did you know that's what they were called? That's a cool word, trapezoid. Trapezoid, I like that. And here's another cool word, rhombus. Sounds like romper or something like that. Rhombus, flat, four equal and straight sides, and the opposite sides are parallel. So a baseball diamond is a rhombus, and like the little pink erasers that you have, those are called rhombuses. Rhombus. Okay? And the last one is quadrilateral. Four sides are flat, it's closed, and they're straight. A square, rhombus, rectangle, and trapezoid are all quadrilaterals. A box and a cell phone. Those are quadrilaterals. They just have four straight sides. They're flat. That figures, right? So here are a couple of things that you can do. First of all, I would like you to go to your packet and look at those words again. Choose two of the shapes and then draw and label those two shapes, and then write two ways those shapes are alike and two ways those shapes are different. Okay? So that's one thing you can do. Now, this is another thing. I think this would be kind of fun. So I think you should make a big drawing, not just a little one like this, but a big one of each of the shapes. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes. So make a big drawing, maybe make it as big as the paper, and then cut it out. And then cut put it into like cut each one several times over. So just cut it and make a puzzle out of them and try to make a puzzle for, put together a rectangle, mix up all the shapes of all the six shapes, and then make a puzzle and try to get the right shapes to make the right shape. Okay, so you'll have all six of the shapes all mixed up, and then you will take certain parts of those shapes and make a quadrilateral. Easy for me to say, right? Or you can take all, have all the shapes mixed up and pull together something and make a triangle. So you can make your own puzzle out of it, and you can make all six shapes out of that. And then if you end up with extra pieces, you've got some of that wrong and you have to start, try it over again. So and then a third thing you can do is do a scavenger hunt and write down each shape and the characteristics of each shape, just like I did here, and find things in your house that match those shapes and write them down. So you have three things to do. The first one is what is in your OPS packet. You draw and label two shapes and write 2 ways the shapes are alike and 2 ways they're different. The second is make a puzzle. So make big pictures of each of the shapes, cut them out, cut different pieces out of them, make a puzzle, mix them all up, and then make your shapes out of a puzzle, and then go on a scavenger hunt. I love scavenger hunts. So have fun with math this week and the different shapes, and happy Cinco de Mayo. Yay!